Hi guys, welcome back to another time lesson with Misha. So for today's session, like always, we're going to need a pencil, paper and your worksheet. Okay, so for today's session, we're going to look at solving problems that involve converting units of time, so between hours and minutes. So by the end of the lesson, you should be able to convert from hours and minutes to minutes, convert from minutes to hours and minutes, and solve problems that involve both hours and minutes. So a lot of these things might seem a bit repetitive, but they are slightly different, not majorly, but at the end of the day, they're all beneficial for your learning. Okay, so your starter for today is, so in your maths books on your piece of paper, you answer the following questions using the starting number. So pause the video and answer all these questions until you get your final answer. Your starting number should be 14. Comparing time units. So use the correct symbol, greater than, less than, or equal to compare these times. So what I want you to do is pause the video for around, a minute or so, however long you need. You should have some scrap paper with you to start, doing your working out. I want you to compare 125 seconds with 1 minute 50 seconds. Which one is more in seconds? So convert your 1 minute 50 seconds to seconds, and then do the greater than, equal to, or a less than sign. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now click on the correct answer. So 125 seconds is greater than 1 minute 50 seconds because 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 60 plus 50 is 110 seconds, which is less than 125 seconds. Now let's look at the next question. 2 minute 20 seconds is greater than, less than, or equal to 150 seconds. So what I want you to do is pause the video and work it out, and then I will show you the answer. So 150 seconds is greater than 2 minutes 20 seconds. 2 minutes 20 seconds is 60 plus 60 plus 20, which is 140. Now let's look at the next question. 1 hour 15 minutes is greater than or less than 75 minutes, or is it equal to? Pause the video and work it out. How many minutes are in an hour? Okay, so the answer is equal to, because 1 hour is 60 minutes plus 15 is 75, which is the same as 75 minutes. Now let's look at this. 500 seconds, is it greater than, less than, or equal to 9 minutes? Okay, so the correct answer for this is that one, 9 minutes, because 9 times 60 is 540 seconds, because there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Now let's compare these. Okay, so let me work through this with you. How many seconds are there in 1 minute? 60, correct. So what I want you to do is do 60 times 20. That will then convert your answer to seconds, and then that will help you figure out whether it's greater than, less than, or equal to. So your answer is this one, because 20 times 60 is 1,200, and yes, 1,200. Now you've got a trio of questions that you've got to fit in the symbol, the 3 symbols. So 2 hours and 10 minutes, compare it to 100 minutes, and compare it to 1 hour and 40 minutes. So what we're going to do is convert all of them into minutes. So 2 hours and 10 minutes equals to 60 plus 60 plus 10, that's 200, 100. So 60 plus 60 is 120, plus the 10 is 130. So 2 hours and 10 minutes is greater than that, and then 100 minutes, 1 hour, and that's equal to. Okay, order these times from the longest to the shortest. 500 seconds, 3 minutes 50 seconds, 1 hour 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 2 hour 25 minutes, and 395 seconds. So what I want you to do is pause the video for yourself for a while and then sort all these out into the correct order from longest to shortest. Okay, so let's go through the answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, how long is that film? Here are the times for some popular films. The films are Toy Zone, Timbo and the Golden Line, Scallywags, Frozen World, Finding Billy, Horses in the Wild. Length in hours and minutes, and minutes. So the time in only minutes. So what you need to do is for Scallywags and Frozen World and Horses in the Wild, you need to convert the minutes into hours and minutes, and for the other 3 movies you need to convert the hours and minutes into just minutes. So pause the video for yourself, draw the table out and work out your timings before I go through the answers. Okay, so here are the answers. Hopefully you got all of them correct before we move on to the next slide. Now you have converted all the films into the same unit. It is easier to sort them in order of length. This is the order from shortest to longest. So that's quite easy to then sort out. So here are the order of the films from shortest to longest in length. Okay, we can now work out how much longer one film is than the other. So we can now here use our taking away brains to work out the differences. How much longer is Timbo and the Golden Line than Toy Zone? So Timbo and the Golden Line is 152 minutes and Toy Zone is 81. So what you got to do is use your taking away magic to work out 152 take away 81 minutes. Then you'll be able to see the difference. So what I want you to do is solve this one on your piece of paper. Pause the video for around a minute to work it out. Here is your answer. Pause it again for around a minute before I show you the answer to work out the following question. Here is your answer. What time does it end? If Scallywag's length is 1 hour 31 minutes or 91 minutes, starts at 3 p.m, what time will it end? It is best to use hours and minutes or minutes to work this out. So pause the video for around a minute or 2, or maybe longer if you need so, to work out the answer for this. You could work this out on a number line using hours and minutes. Start 3 p.m. plus 1 hour makes it 4 p.m. plus 31 minutes, which makes it 4:31 p.m. If Finding Billy is 97 minutes, 1 hour and 30 or 1 hour and 37 minutes, then it starts at 4:30, what time will it end? So the similar thing that we did earlier, start at 4:30 plus 1 hour, 5:30 plus 30 minutes, 6 o'clock, and then plus the 7 makes it 6:07 p.m. So I want you to do the same for If Horses in the Wild. Starts at 11. Pause the video and work out the answer before I show you the answer. Okay, so here is now the answer. Okay, so your task for today is on the website. Please access it. Both challenge 1 and challenge 2 are on the website. Please ensure you look in other areas if you can't find the task, but it should definitely be up there. Even then, if you can't find it, email your teacher or call the school office. Good luck guys, well done, and see you in the next lesson.